Welcome back to Beautyistic. Today, we're diving into a product that has generated quite a buzz in the world of beauty. A deep wave lace front wig made from 100% unprocessed Brazilian virgin human hair. If you've been on the lookout for a wig that promises comfort, versatility, and a realistic look, you're in the right place. Stick around as we take a closer look at its features, real-world performance, and everything in between. This deep wave lace front wig is crafted from unprocessed Brazilian virgin human hair, ensuring a natural, silky texture without the harsh chemicals or unpleasant odors often found in lower quality wigs. With a 13x6 HD lace frontal, it offers a deep parting space for a more customized fit, and the lace is designed to melt seamlessly into all skin tones. Pre-plucked with a natural hairline and bleached for a more realistic look, this wig seems promising right from the start. In terms of size, this wig measures 30 inches in length and boasts a 200% density, which provides full ends and minimal shedding, something I appreciate when it comes to long wigs. It can be straightened, curled, dyed, and even bleached, making it highly versatile for a variety of looks. The cap is medium-sized, fitting head circumferences from 21.5 to 22.5 inches, with adjustable straps and 3 combs inside for a secure fit. It's also breathable, which is a must for comfort, especially if you wear wigs for extended periods. Now, how does it perform in the real world? I've tested this wig on different occasions, from casual outings to more formal events, and it does live up to its claims. The deep wave texture is soft, bouncy, and has a natural shine without being too heavy. The lace melted beautifully into my skin, creating a seamless blend that made it difficult to tell where the wig started and my natural hairline ended. The density was a plus, giving the wig a full, voluminous look without feeling overly bulky. However, there are a couple of things to consider. While the wig is advertised to shed minimally, I did notice a few strands here and there, especially after styling. It wasn't excessive, but something to be aware of if you're concerned about maintenance. Additionally, while the cap is adjustable, it might feel a little snug if you have a larger head size. For those who are new to wigs, it could take a little time to get the fit just right, but with the right adjustments, it should be fine. Is this wig worth the price? Considering the high quality of the Brazilian virgin human hair and the versatility of styling, it definitely offers a strong value for the money. You're paying for a product that is durable, customizable, and looks natural, all important factors in any wig purchase. When comparing it to other wigs in the same price range, this product holds its own. There are similar options on the market, but many don't offer the same density or lace quality. This wig's 13x6 lace front gives it a competitive edge over many standard lace front wigs, making it an attractive option for anyone looking for a more customizable fit and a realistic hairline. In terms of build quality, the hair is soft and the lace feels sturdy enough to last through multiple wears. It's important to handle it with care. Don't forget to maintain it by washing it properly and using the right products to keep it looking fresh. Now, as for customer support, I didn't have the chance to interact with the brand directly, but based on other user reviews, the general consensus is that they are responsive and helpful. It's always reassuring to know a brand stands behind its product, especially with something as personal as a wig. If you're looking for alternatives, there are definitely some options at different price points, but you'll be hard-pressed to find one with this level of density, styling flexibility, and overall quality. Cheaper options may lack in lace quality or come with lower density hair, so consider what's most important for your needs. To wrap things up, this deep wave lace front wig is a solid option if you're after a natural-looking, versatile, and comfortable wig. Its high-quality Brazilian virgin human hair, combined with a customizable fit and styling options, make it a standout. However, be aware of the slight shedding and snug cap for larger head sizes. If this review helped you out, please like, subscribe, and press that bell icon so other wig lovers can find this video too. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget the link to get your hands on this wig is in the comments box below. If you already own it, let me know your thoughts. I'd love to hear about your experience. Until next time, keep it beautiful and always stay stylish with Beautyistic.